this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel Get Gorgeous with Nidhi. Well, as you can see, जो आज का वीडियो है बहुत ही सुंदर जगह से शूट करा जा रहा है. I'm going to show you guys the entire place very soon. So guys, मैं हूँ मनाली में, मैं यहाँ पे 4 दिन के लिए हूँ and I'm staying in this beautiful cottage. At the end of this video, I will put the clip of this entire cottage so that you guys can have a look. Well, this is called Chalet Windflower. It's in Manali and ये जो area है, this is a nice glass room. And I thought why not shoot a video here and मैं natural light में shoot कर रही हूँ videos guys, so I mean you'll just see a little bit of sunlight on my face. So I recently got some new makeup products, you know, a primer, some cream eyeshadow, cream blusher, a beautiful concealer which I'm going to show you in this video. It's a very natural everyday makeup look and products that are used are also very lightweight drugstore products. So I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे. अगर नहीं भी अच्छा लगे, I'm sure you guys would enjoy the view that's behind. So yeah, I think let's get started. A quick reminder to subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet. And also guys, मुझे इस वीडियो में थोड़ा voice over करना पड़ेगा because while I was doing makeup, मैं उधर बैठ के actually makeup कर रही थी and काफी बीच में आवाज़ आने लगी. Sometimes the dogs were barking या किसी का hair dry चल रहा था. So I've decided to do a voice over. ठीक है, so let's get started and show you guys my quick makeup look. So I cleaned and exfoliated my skin using this Cleano wipe. I absolutely love these wet wipes. So this wet wipe has two sides. One is the smooth side and the other is the textured one for exfoliating the skin. So my skin is moisturized. Next step is to use a primer. I'm using this Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer. Now this is a silicone based primer and it helps to prep your skin and blurs the imperfections. I've put the link in the description box below. You can check out the product there. So I recently purchased this Milani concealer and I have to tell you guys, this is my favorite concealer in drugstore range. It is so beautiful and creamy and it blends very nicely. So I'm using this beauty sponge to blend the concealer and using it under the eyes and a little bit on the dark spots that I have on my face. Also applying some concealer on my eyelids because I have little darker eyelids. And I'm highly impressed with this concealer, guys. I love the coverage it has given me. Going ahead with the foundation now, I'm using this NYX Total Pro Control Foundation. Shake the bottle before you use it. It's a nice liquidy foundation. I'm just using 2-3 drops of it. And again, with the help of this beauty sponge, I am blending it all over my face. I want a very natural finish, hence I'm using a very less quantity of foundation. And also this foundation, it gives you nice light to medium coverage. It's not a full coverage foundation, so that's what I like about it. And you can see like I've got a very nice smooth finish on my face. The dark spots are not visible at all, yet it's looking very natural. Next, I'm taking this Charlotte Tilbury powder, or a pressed powder actually, that's what it's called, and I'm applying it under the eyes just to set that concealer and a little bit on the eyelid. I'm not applying this all over the face because I have a very dry skin. Plus, I want that natural dewy look on my face. Next, I'm going ahead with this cream blusher. Now, this is from Simply Nam. The shade that I'm using is called Girl Next Door. And I'm using my fingers to apply this blusher on the high point of my cheeks. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it looks very beautiful and dewy. Now I'm taking this eyeshadow pot. Now this is also from Simply Nam. Now this eyeshadow pot has two sides. One is the cream side and the other one is the powdered side. So first, of course, I'm taking the cream side and applying it with the help of this flat brush. Now I'm taking the powder side and applying it right at the center of the eyelid. Now I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. I'm taking this powder blusher from MAC. Now this is a beautiful pink shade, just applying it on top of that cream blusher. And now I'm taking this lipstick from PAC. The shade is Cobblestone. Loving this shade. It's a beautiful nude pink lipstick. Now topping it up with my favorite gloss, which is from Shiseido. Again, the link of this gloss is in the description box below.
I'm finding my eyes little blank, so what I'm doing next is just taking an angular brush and taking this dark brown shade and applying a slight winged eyeliner. This is more like an eyeshadow eyeliner, but it looks very natural, very soft, and yeah, very subtle. Next, I'm taking this makeup fixer from Faces Canada and spraying it all over my face, letting it dry for some time.
So guys, this is the final look. This is a quick, easy, everyday makeup look, and I absolutely love the products that I used. So as I mentioned earlier, link of each and every product will be in the description box below. And guys, here's a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet. And now let me show you guys the beautiful property. So guys, this is the cottage where we are staying. This property has 4 cottages if I'm not wrong. And let's go inside and see the place. And this is the entrance. It has a cute fireplace here. And then the bedroom. It's in a mess because we've just opened all our stuff. We'll be here for 4 or 5 days. And this is a sitting room. It's like a glass room. This is where I shot the video. And also this cottage has this private garden. Huge place. Guys, I'm now heading out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the lovely view, and I'll see you guys again. Till then, take care, and all of you have a lovely, beautiful day. Bye.